Magandang araw, magandang buhay mga kaparikoy. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel at Nel Media TV. Mga kaparikoy, araw ng Sabado at ma-upload natin tong video na to bukas. Araw na to, ang segment namin ay mag-aaral si Chloe or tuturuan ko siya ngayong araw natin ng roller skates kasi nahinto nga siya dahil busy kami. So ngayong araw na to ay gagawin namin. At saka maganda na rin ang panahon din. Minute. So tara, punta tayo sa labas.
Wait.
Yeah. Okay, go. So.
I'm good at roller skating.
Of course. You have a proper.
I don't fall down that much.
Yeah. Ayan mga kaparigoy. So, kakabitan na natin siya ng tamang mga gear para sa ganon, kung madapa man siya ay hindi ganon ka tama.
Okay, everybody. What is your special thing that you do like this? Like what's something that you do? Like, do you go biking without the mini pedals, or do you go roller skating like me? Write it down on the comments.
Oh yeah. Write down in the comments.
If you don't have one, then you can put. If you don't have one, or you don't know how to spell it, you can put the emoji on the comments if you want to.
I think I don't need to. So, we don't need that anymore. Just the needles now. Oh, can I help? You want this one?
I don't think so.
Okay, let's go. Go.
Just the
Okay, mga
roller
kaparikoy,
skates.
ito na. Ihanda lang natin ang mga lahat ng mga kailangan niya. Okay, let's go.
I cannot do it with one, but I can do it with two. Did you know this roller skates have a shoe in it? Well, it's not inside. It's like the shoe is not inside the roller skate. You just pop out the shoe right here. I'm not really good at bouncing that much, but I'm good at roller skating. It takes lots of years, and it takes lots of minutes and lots of years until you handle the roller skating, because the roller skating takes lots of months. So you have to do it to kindergarten to grade 1. If you're in kindergarten, guys, then you have roller skates at home and you're just learning to, you have to wait until grade 1 to do it. Because you know what, a few days later in grade 1, you'll be able to do roller skating sooner. If you're good at biking, write down that you're good at biking. I'm good at roller skating.
Cover.
What's my ponytail? My ponytail. That's why I removed it earlier.
Okay, go on the other side. What is this? Okay, show them.
Just gonna hold this chair if I fall down, just in case.
What are you? That prop? I'm not sure what you are.
Don't hurt my neck, don't hurt my neck.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm watching. Okay, all good.
Lucky.
Yeah,
Lucky ducky.
yeah. Okay. Careful. Okay. Yan mga kaparikoy, ready ng lahat. Tara na. Para makapag-umpisa na tayo. Ayan mga kaparikoy, bababa na kami. At ngayon ay wala tayong microphone sa cellphone natin dahil nagpalit tayo ng phone. Dahil
Because you know what? This is the worst
nalumaan
thing
na ng
ever.
gusto yung phone ko. So
Yeah, because everybody
ayaw na
pause. Daddy's pause.
update.
Pause. Guys, pause. Did you know what Daddy did to my iPad? My dad put skip the dishes in my iPad. How come? I don't need a job. Why do I need a job? Why do I need
Ayan mga kaparikoy, nandito na kami sa labas. At ito, tuturuan na natin siya. Actually, nag-practice lang kami ay nasa loob lang ng bahay bago ko siya ilalabas. So, pero first time talaga siyang lalabas ngayon ng
I haven't done this
roller
before.
skates. So,
I
yeah,
don't like
okay.
these wraps. I want smooth.
Of course, yeah.
Watch
Ayan
me,
mga kaparikoy.
everybody. Imagine you're doing this to school.
Oh yeah, ayan mga
Especially
kaparikoy.
my classmates.
So, wala
Love
tayong
it. If you are watching this video, I'm happy and have a good summer break today.
oh yeah. Right?
And make sure you watch Nail Media TV, especially this video because this is the most coolest videos that we ever made.
Focus.
Because this is me and I'm doing the roller skates. It takes like a month. So if you're in kindergarten and trying to do the roller skates, then you have to wait until grade 1.
Yeah. Wow. Focus. Yeah, nothing else. What you're looking for? Wow, very good. Good job. Okay. Yeah, just slowly. It's a bird. Come on. Airplane. That's an airplane.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, careful. Focus ka, dali. Ayan mga kaparikoy. Ayan. So nakaka-balance na siya. Ang kulang na lang niya ay madire-diretso yung niya, lakad. So pero wala namang problema diyan. Ang mahalaga kasi niyan sa mga beginners at saka sa mga ganyan pa ay makapag-balance sila.
Hi guys, and if you are Lavette or Eleanor, happy summer break. I have a good summer break today, and
Yeah.
this is a good summer break, and that's all. Just can I say? I don't know what to say. Anything else? And everybody, if you want to take a closer look, that's the lay of the prairies. Look, that's my school. Everybody
Where's the prairies?
There,
Right there. Okay, yan ang school niya, mga kaparikoy. So, sobrang lapit lang. Okay,
Let's
so,
take a quick walk.
Yeah.
I mean a walk. Let's have a walk. I'm focused. The first time I just fell down. I hope there's no ants. Nope, no ants. I'm doing it. I know my friend Kayla walks to school over here. She walks like over here.
focus.
It's so hard because of the wind.
No,
It's blowing me.
Yeah.
It's blowing me back.
Oh.
I need a hand. Whee! Whee!
Very good. Good job. Good job. Yeah, slowly. Go. Ayan mga kaparikoy. So hindi nalugi ang araw na to. Dahil kapag vlogs pa rin tayo. Ayan. So next week nga pala, abangan nyo swimming lesson itong bata. So tapos na siya sa ano, sa buffer na tinatawag. At ang susunod nilang
I am imagining that I am balancing a tightrope while holding
careful. Watch out.
A stick.
Yeah, what else?
Come on, Vloggy, hold me. Thanks for that help.
Careful. Oh, careful. Yan. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, yes.
I'm glitched.
Yes.
I'm glitching. Earlier I was glitching. Also for you and the vet, like, you guys, do you know glitches are actually real? If you know what's a glitch, there was like a video that a bird was just flapping and was not moving because that's called a glitch. A glitch is like something that happens to your screen that doesn't look normal, but kind of frustrating but funny in the same time.
Ayan, naintindihan niyo yan? Hindi ko nga maintindihan niyo.
Well, the glitches, do you know, I saw a video that a cat was like going like this and not moving because it's a glitch.
Oh.
Whoa, there's so many flowers over here. Hi, flowers.
Oh, careful, watch out.
They're white. They're white.
Oh. Yeah.
Flower white. Flower white. Rocking horse. Help me, Vloggy.
Come on.
Vloggy, thanks for helping
Yeah, see.
me.
Wow, you good.
Taking a look.
Good job. Sige pa, dali. Yan.
And it's hold your hand.
Oh, careful. Watch out. Oh, focus.
Give me your hand, Vloggy.
Go. Yeah. Ayan, nakapag-balance na siya. At bukas makalawa niyan ay haarangkada na yan. Ayan. Go. Push. Oops. Watch out.
Come on, go find some food for your queen.
Yan mga kaparikoy. So, alalayan lang muna natin siya. So, para mas madali sa kanya. So, unang ginagawa ko ay sa bahay lang kasi since na malawak-lawak naman yung sala na nakakapag ano siya to. Nice to. Yeah. Focus ka dali. Ayan. So, ganun lang kadali. So, kailangan bago mag winter ulit, dapat sanay na siya. At maya din naman ay bike naman yung pag-aralan namin. So konti na lang naman siya sa bike din. Okay. So tara, samahan nyo ako at samahan nyo kami sa paglalakbay namin ulit sa pangalawang riding namin. So magbabay kami maya-maya konti. At ipupush ko naman siya doon sa bike. Oh. You do it.
My feet are hurting.
Of course, that's normal. Okay, go. Yeah. Go till the end. So, watch out, watch out. Careful, careful. Don't run. Wow, galing. Wow, so cute, beautiful. No, 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 no. You're good now. You're good now. No, 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 no. You're good, you're good. Mommy,
Your life,
you know.
your health, all about love.
Wow.
The power
Yeah?
of love.
Careful, focus. Focus ka, dali. Yeah, i-focus mo dito. Yeah, never mind for the dog. No, no, no worries, no worries. Yeah. Wow, ang galing na baby ha. Ang galing, galing na. Oh. Shoot mo na. Huh? Shoot to mami na. Ano, shoot to mami. O, yan, mga kaparikoy. So, kuha na niya.
Take some speed.
Yeah, bukas ulit. Kunting pasada na lang. At okay na siya.
Take some more speed.
So, talagang kailangan dapat matyaga kayo sa mga chikiting ninyo para talagang matutunan nila at para lumakas ang kanilang confident sa sarili. Yeah. Ayan. Physical, emotional,
I cannot do
at
it.
iba pa.
I cannot hold it.
Pampalakas sa tuhod.
Help me.
Yan, ganyan ang mabibuild up ng bata kapag kay marami siyang matutunang mga activities. So makapag-build siya ng iba't ibang sa sarili habang lumalaki siya.
I almost flip over.
Yeah. So marami pa kaming gagawin, marami pa kaming activity na dapat matatapos ngayong summer na to. So bike naman tayo. Tara.
A few moments later.
Mga kaparikoy, bike naman kami ngayon at ito siya. Ayan, pupush ko siya sa bike kasi hindi pa naman siya ganun kagaling sa balancing. So ano lang niya, kapapractice lang din namin itong week na to. So yan, sunod-sunod yung ano namin. So tara. Good. Okay, go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
My foot is out.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Are you talking for the phone?
Okay. Okay, hold. Okay. We're gonna
Come on, Bloggy. We're coming back. We're gonna bring you. Crash!
break. Break, break.
Crash!
Parikoy. Okay. No. Do that. Yeah, do like that. Okay, go.
We're coming. Yeah, we're gonna crash. Crash!
Done. Okay. Mga kaparikoy, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa aking mga videos. Huwag niyo lang kalimutang mag-share, likes, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Kaya dito lang sa Buhay Canada!